Let me show you several examples to illustrate that Scrivener did not merely slavishly follow the King James Version, but rather attempted to reflect the family of printed editions of the TR as utilized by the King James Version translators. John 10, verse 16. In the King James Version, it reads, "And other sheep I have which are not of this fold, them also I must bring, and they shall hear my voice, and there shall be one fold and one shepherd." And the thing we want to focus on is the term one fold. If you read John 10:16 in Scrivener, you'll find that that term, one fold, that's translated as one fold, in the Greek of Scrivener is mia poimne, mia poimne. So the King James Version reads one fold. And actually that's sort of in keeping, as far as the English translation, with the reference of other sheep I have which are not of this fold at the beginning of the verse. If Scrivener was slavishly attempting to follow the exact words of the King James Version, we would expect the term that's translated as one fold to read in Scrivener mia aule, literally one fold. But instead it reads mia poimne, which literally means one flock. Again, it's another dynamic King James Version rendering. I'm not saying the King James Version translation there is wrong, but it's a dynamic rendering of the term. Poimne, rendering it in English as fold, rather than as flock. Scrivener's text followed the consensus of the TR family of printed editions, as indeed this is the reading found in Stephanus, Beza, and even in the Nestle-Aland 28th edition.